In a world that's always changing, reliable and flexible IT is critical to success. VeryPC are a UK-based computer manufacturer that deliver trusted IT solutions. Each year we manufacture over 35,000 devices, and for the last 20 years we've supported schools and businesses across the UK with reliable and sustainable hardware products and services.
Whether it's desktops, all-in-ones, laptops or signage that you need, we've got them all. And if standard solutions don't fit, we can do bespoke builds or branded devices tailored to your needs.
More than just PCs, we deliver a full range of IT services and solutions, including Microsoft 365, cloud-based phone systems, wireless network solutions, and a full range of professional services and cybersecurity products. All looked after by our UK-based support team who are always on hand to make sure everything runs smoothly.
Trusted by school and businesses across the UK, we treat our clients like family, supporting you every step of the way. And we work with valued tech partners to meet your needs.
We're proud to be an accredited Sheffield-based UK manufacturer that supports UK business and education. We'd love for you to join the VeryPC family, so get in touch today and see how we can help.